Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato soup, Vismai food style. First, let's get started with the initial preparation. Heat 1 teaspoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan. Then, add your aromatics, ½ inch of crushed ginger, 5 to 6 pounded garlic cloves, 3 cardamom pods, 3 cloves, 1 bay leaf, and ½ a teaspoon of black pepper. Sauté these gently until they release their wonderful fragrance. Next, we'll build the soup's rich base. Add 1 teaspoon of wheat flour to the pan and fry it until it turns a lovely golden brown. Now, it's time for the stars of the show: 250 grams of chopped tomatoes and 75 grams of coriander stems. Season with salt, ½ a teaspoon of red chili powder, and cumin powder. Continue frying until the tomatoes become wonderfully soft and mushy. To achieve that perfect soup consistency, add 500 to 600 milliliters of water to the pan. Let it boil gently until the liquid reduces to about 400 milliliters. Once it has cooled slightly, carefully sieve the entire cooked mixture. This step is key to getting a beautifully smooth and refined tomato soup, free from any fibrous bits. Now for the delightful final touches. Gently reheat your beautifully strained tomato soup. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed to ensure it's just right for your palate. Finally, sprinkle with some freshly cut coriander leaves for a burst of freshness and serve it steaming hot. Enjoy this comforting and flavorful homemade tomato soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.